Kanishka and welcome back to my channel Cook by Kanishka. So for today I decided to make a very tasty and easy cookies in just 15 minutes. You will blink your eyes and your cookies are ready. So let's go and see how I made this very tasty easy cookies in just 15 minutes. Thank you.
Take half cup of clarified butter at room temperature. Add half cup of powdered sugar. And then mix them well. Note that the clarified butter shouldn't be melted and should be at the room temperature only. Mix it until it converts into creamy texture. You can see the texture. Take a strainer. Add 1 cup of wheat flour. And then strain it. Add half cup of gram flour and a pinch of salt. You can also skip the salt. Now mix them well. But don't forget to add some cardamom powder. And then make it dough with your hands. Take a tray and grease it with the help of clarified butter. Take a small portion. Give it a nice circular shape with your hands and then press it gently. Press it in the middle with the help of your finger or thumb and place it in the tray. And do the same with others also. You can see I have made the cookies and then garnish it with finely chopped almonds. In the microwave on 180 degree in convection mode, preheat the oven. After the temperature raise, place the tray and then let it bake for 15 minutes. When they are baked, remove the tray and let it cool. You can see they are cooled down and the cookies are baked completely. I am breaking it and see they are perfectly baked from inside also. Serve it in a plate. Ta-da! Our cookies are ready. Eat the cookies with your kids. And if you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such recipes. Thank you.